Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Specter Holt Bladeworks V4 liner lock here with me. And we're going to do a little bit of maintenance and fine tuning, because this is a pretty beautiful knife. It has a patented mechanism in order for you to decide the strength of the detent. And in this case I find it a little bit too hard. So let's see if we can perfect a little bit this already awesome knife. So basically you're gonna need this Allen wrench, which is a 0.5 I think, which is gonna be needed to unscrew the detent screw on the inside. And you're gonna need a T15 bit for the screw, for the pivot screw, sorry, which is this guy right over here. And you're gonna need a T8, which is this guy for the handle. So let's see, this is not a captive pivot, so sometimes it spins, not this time. So just be gentle when you do this operation, because yeah, it's not like a cheap knife in any way. And it's beautifully done, guys. So that is one. And actually, you know what, let's just do this with this bit over here. And use quality bits when you do this kind of works on expensive knives, because you don't want to strip these beautifully made screws. So you want to use pretty good quality tools. All right, so yeah, in this case, just you see the scale just comes off nicely like so. All right, so just carefully like that. So that's your clip. So as you can see here, there's a screw, all right, which is the one that you want to take care of, like this way, you see. Just put this guy in. So if you do like that, just half of a turn, I think it will be enough. Let's see, okay. And while we are here, yeah, why not? Let's just do just a real quick cleaning. So, all right. So this is a liner lock, guys, and basically it's different than the V3 and V2 and V1, mainly because of the locking mechanism. And in fact, you see, for example, on this side you only have one washer. It's only on that side, not on this side. So just remember that. Okay, just a clean up of these bearings right over here. It's pretty clean already. Okay, let's also clean this side over here. Very nice. Actually, you know what? Let's just do 10 weight nano oil over here, and just a little bit around the pivot like so. This guy is in right now, like that. It's pretty good. Just a touch of nano oil on this side as well. Let's clean up this too, and goes in. Then you can clean also this side like that. So this is it's not really a washer, this is a hardened steel, kind of like a bushing, not really, but anyways, it's thicker. So just see the track of the bearings and just make sure it's in contact with the bearing side like that. Okay. And before you do that, maybe just a little tad more of nano oil, like so. That is on top. Then this is your backspacer, which is gonna go here. We're missing the clip, which is on that side, not a biggie. So here, just make sure this is in place, like that and like that, okay? And then we can do, just you can push the lock down and rotate a little bit the blade so that you can hear the click, like so. And then just for now, we're gonna add a little bit of blue Loctite later. Just be careful with this. Okay. Just to keep it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. All right. And this guy here with your T8, like so, very gentle. All right, now you can just flip it to the other side. Just wiggle its way into the backspacer, which has to be aligned nicely, like so. Second handle screw is in and done. All right, so let's just make sure these are tight, not too much. All right, so tighten the pivot. Okay, and I also like to do 10 weight nano oil just on the detent. It's not a ball, but on the detent, so it's rubbing up against the tang of the blade. And let's see how we did with this one. So let's just remove the tools. We don't want to scratch anything, so let's just see how we did it with the action. Oh yeah, now the detent is lighter, but not too light. How I like it, exactly. Very nice, it's beautiful. So that's about how I like it. So now that we are sure of that, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of blue Loctite right over here. Something like that. Yeah, just a little bit. This is the blue one, so don't worry guys, it's not the red nasty one that you don't want anywhere near your knives. This is just a gentle one. You can just tighten this down. Check the other side, it's pretty good. Blade centering. Maybe we can just tighten just a little bit more. Yes, it's too much. So let's just do just a little bit less. Oh yeah, blade play 0. Guys, what do you think? I think this is beautiful, beautiful action. It's the fidgetness of this thing is through the roof, and this is how you perfect the detent and the action of your Holt Bladeworks Specter. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned.